What's going on, everybody? I'm back today with another video. Today we're going to be shooting a round that I have never shot before. You've seen us shoot the 300 Win Mag. Roll the clip. And you've seen us shoot a 204. Well, that's technically a small round. Well, today we're going to be shooting a 45-70 government round. Now, this is a 300 grain bullet, and we're going to be shooting at a water jug and a steel plate, probably a 1/4 inch steel plate. So I hope you guys enjoy. See you here in a minute. Alright, so right here, it's a 45-70 round. It is as long as my finger. I don't know if you can really see that or not, but it is a very big round, very wide, and it's gonna have a lot of recoil. So here we go. So we're shooting the round out of a 1895 Marlin lever action. You can see the target right down here, and I've got our ears in, ready to go. One's in the chamber. Oh. Alright, one's in the chamber. Safety is off. Here we go. Got it!
Wow!
Woo! Got it!
Wow!
Woo! One more.
Safety on.
Alright. Safety is on.
Alright, you got one more shot?
Yep.
How'd it kick?
Not too bad. Alright, so we have a 410 that actually shoots a lot worse. I'm sure you'll see it in the future, but it kicks a lot worse than that thing.
Okay, fire and hold.
Alright, Dad's gonna shoot it this time. Nice shot. Well, there's the water jug I shot. It completely destroyed it. Dad was a little low, but he ended up bouncing and hitting it. But
I don't know where I hit it.
I heard it hit. We'll play it back. But I'm pretty sure I heard it hit. That was pretty cool. I might actually shoot it again. I thought I wouldn't, but I might actually shoot again. Alright, brother. Miss.
What was that?
I don't know, I didn't see it. I couldn't see it. Left and high. Got it, center.
Let's see. Here we go.
Got it, high right.
Let's go.
Alright, here we go. High left. I hope you guys enjoyed. I left it at that because we heard it ricochet. We really don't want to put other people or animals in danger, so that is why we stopped it where it was. But I hope you guys enjoyed. It was extremely fun shooting. It was the first time we've ever shot that gun. So obviously we didn't know what we were in for. But I hope you guys enjoyed. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching.